them out of the population. So I think it really does depend on the way the research is being used. But the scary thing is anything can be cherry picked, and what the original research is used for sometimes can be like a jumping off point for another bad person to then do other research about it. You know, so it's like these things are concerning, but I don't know, like, should we delay research about ourselves and our bodies just out of fear? I don't know.
Well, like research about like a singular gay gene, that sort of like has died off now, but the more prevalent one is epigenetic markers, right?
But I mean, they're looking for it for trans people.
Yeah. But like with regards to like that sort of thing, just tacking onto it, epigenetics is basically the theory that if you have life experiences, they actually modify your genetic